Yeah.
Hello viewers and hello PMP aspirants. Thanks for watching this video. This is on a Saturday on August month. I have a good into person who cleared PMP from a clinical background. That means interesting area which everyone want to know what is happening there. It's a trending area. So he cleared PMP very recently. That is 12th of August. He cracked it. It's a good news in the sense getting PMP gives energy. Okay, Shriram, is it the only thing? No, you may be qualified at different universities, you have done a great job, traveled to a different country. Okay, that's all fun. But when you take a challenge on yourself, sit and read for 2 months or 3 months and get and see that paper you cleared, that sense of joy only you know when you do that. Until then you won't feel it. Right, first thing, congratulations Suresh for this wonderful achievement.
Thank you very much, Sriram. Thank you very much. And I would say I will give you the most of, 90% of the credit to you and 10% of mine. And
So
then
humble you are, so humble you are. We know how many nights you would have not slept preparing for this.
I would say I really not worked hard
Okay.
to really tell you.
Uh,
It's all the technique, absolutely technique.
okay.
I can gut you because many people, I look into the interviews of the many people and then I see, oh my God, I have to read so much. But no, it's a technique that you taught me in the classes exactly during the sessions. How
Nice.
to how to break how to what do you say, work breakdown structure kind of. So you say that, yeah, you break it into pieces and then you target what needs to be done, and then for what needs exactly, what is the question they're asking for, to
Right.
understand that. And then that helped me out really to understand the question rather than the concept.
Cool. That's nice. That's nice. I like that approach. Really, I like the approach.
I would say, yeah, I would say it's all the credit goes to you because you taught me how and where is knack areas where I have to hit.
Ah, nice. Nice to know that. I'm happy that you observed it because this is, we keep saying, but sometimes it goes above the head. Okay.
No, I really say that when I see the video on YouTube on the first session where I was not part of the team of that. I really impressed by your session of that video, and
Okay.
then the explanation that you have given after the video was really inspiring, and then really that was my trigger. That was my trigger where I said yes, yes, I'm going to make it.
Okay, nice to know. Nice to know. Thanks for trusting us and coming on the YouTube. I appreciate it. So now, with all this thing, first thing you have to see the certificate, okay? Because yeah, that will be a great one. How many days PMI took to issue a certificate?
I think it took 4 days, Shiram. I written on
Wow,
Thursday,
a
and
long time.
then they issued on around somewhere around Sunday late night. So I've
Uh-huh.
seen in the Monday morning.
Nice, nice to know. So here we have Suresh, manager at healthcare. So how is it the healthcare industry?
Uh, I think it's good. Now we are also booming with project management skills. So to start off with my introduction, maybe I can just give
Yeah,
my
please.
small introduction.
Please.
So I finished my post graduation in pharmaceuticals. I'm pharmacy student, and then I finished my post graduation. After that, I've been into clinical research. My first job is in clinical research as a clinical research associate, and then from there, my first project I started in 2012 as a project manager. In our company, we call it as clinical program manager. So they
Uh-huh.
call it as a program manager, but it's kind of a project management that we do.
Mhm.
To give you, I did the training in US for the PMP in the year
Wow.
2014.
Oh,
I don't know that what PMP is when I've really done my training.
okay.
It was my boss after the finishing one of the project. He said that yes, you have to go to US for the training, and then they send me for around 15 days, 1 week for the office that we have, local office, and then. The training was the next week, 5 days, and then what they did is they asked me to book for the slot, and then we booked it, and then I don't know what it is PMP. I don't even know the definition of the PMP at the time. and then I went into the exam. Everything was like, oh my God, what is this? and I that impression was there in my mind. I lost the exam, and then I don't know what exactly it is, and then lost the exam, and then I came out, and then it was that fear was there till date.
Oh, hey, tell me, for PMP exam, you went from India to US.
Yes.
God.
It's a kind of what my boss is that there is a team of our in the US, so they are scheduled training. So they asked us to join. So we have
Acha,
to
acha,
go
acha,
there,
acha, acha,
and then
okay.
I was not sure that it's just a training. It's kind of we finished the project on time, very critical project. So my boss said that yes, you go, come, and then kind of.
Acha, 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 okay.
So and then we did it. We did it, and then I was like, what is this happening? uh, After I came out from the exam, I don't know what is happening. That fear was there even till date. It's there until I reached to you. I reached to you. That fear got broken on the day when I visited on the YouTube. That yes, there is a technique that I can crack.
Oh man, I'd appreciate your boss, first of all, trusting and making people to come all the way to sit and listen. But maybe a little bit urgency to clear the exam. They pushed you guys. Little time would have been given.
Yeah, and then that because nobody was aware of what it is all about. So it's a PMP. We just went there, and then it's kind of it's over. And then we came
Bouncer.
back. And then that fear was there all through.
Oh God. God,
And then
now you
it
can
took
proudly
me.
show your certificate now. Hey man, I'm done.
I've already did that. My boss is already in US. I've shown it, sir. It's you that you've
Nice.
laid the
Foundation.
foundation, and then I've done it and done it.
Nice, nice. Good to know. Good to know
Yeah.
your background or knowledge about PMP. I'm so happy you are aware of PMP from 2014. For your information, I know PMP only by 2016.
Oh, see, the fear takes so much of time.
Yeah. 2016 January, somebody said to me, Shiram, there is something called PMP. Something called PMP, what is it? So July I cleared, then I became a coach on PMP.
Uh, No, it's all about the attitude, Shriram, that you have that leadership quality that driven you here.
Thanks for that good words. I appreciate it. So good. So I can see you hijacked your kid's room today.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Of
Nice.
course, this is my office anyway. After their school.
Acha. Nice. So how much family supported for this exam?
Really, I think I've picked very short time, Shriram, to tell you. I because there is a background again for coming to this exam because I've already booked the slot before I came to the training.
Oh.
So this slot was booked last November.
Hmm.
So last year November, and then there is a medical emergency came in my family. My father got some serious issue, so I have to cancel it in the last moment. I have to reschedule it. So I schedule it in April. I thought that by April everything would be all right, and then I can make it.
Hmm.
But I couldn't because I was infected with corona in April. I
Oof, man,
oh,
back to back. Oh.
and then I was infected, and then it took me 1 month to recover completely, and then I have to reschedule it again. And then I don't even remember when I've rescheduled because I was not in really conscious because I
Right.
was a little serious. I was on oxygen. My oxygen levels go down to 70 around, and
Oh
then
man.
yeah, I was not hospitalized, but yeah, it was
It's
condition
not
was
a
yeah,
right, not easy. Hmm.
not easy. So my wife managed. She's a dentist, so she managed very well at that situation at home. And then I'm back, and then I've scheduled it on 24th of June to tell you. And then 24th of June, when I just before 2 days before, I've got an alert that there was I remember that there was something I have to write. So I checked the date, and then the because I was booked in the center based, so the center said that it is they rescheduled it. You can reschedule it. They cannot do because center is not working because whatever the reasons. So I thought that God is planning something for me, and then and then I took it as an opportunity, and then I took it as a serious that yes, I got a last chance now. And then when I checked for the date, it's only one date is which is available, which is August 12th,
Oh.
entire month in that center. So I booked in that center and then I'm not sure how to start off with.
Mm.
I was Googling, I was doing all the YouTube, I was searching everything. So I was not very sure. And then to tell you my surprise, maybe it's destiny which brought me here. So I was suddenly browsing in the evening on the eve of Sunday,
Mm.
10th July.
Uh-huh.
I've seen a video coming, a success video coming on, just been posted. So I
Okay.
said, okay. I was seeing, okay. The video says that she was telling me that she was not very much good in reading, and then I said, yeah, it's something matching to me. And then said, yeah, let's do it. Why can't we? And then the very moment I got a live session going on, and then I joined
Oh.
30 minutes late to the
Uh-huh.
session. So
Uh-huh.
I've seen that, and then I was started just as if I can just see what's going on, and then I couldn't stop myself. I was there almost entire till the end that you've closed the session, even the doubts that you're clearing everyone. And then I said that immediately after 11 I've started chatting with Rahul was a live on at 11, I think. We were discussed around till late 12 o'clock, I believe, and then the next morning he sent me the link, and then I booked it.
Wow. Look at that, man. Sunday evening you started, joined in.
And then I join in. I'm not sure because because I'm kind of agile situation. My situation is agile situation. I have to make a sprint, and I have to, it's time boxed. It's time boxed, and I have to make it done.
Oh
And
man.
then luckily your trick, and then
Nice.
worked out,
Nice.
and then yeah,
Nice to
it's
know.
really.
Happy to know that at least the technology helped us to reach you. So thanks to technology,
Absolutely,
right?
absolutely. Thanks to YouTube, I think it's a good idea to reaching to people at least the first session, so that they know at least the taste of what it is, the flavor, so that
Right.
they can understand, and then they can jump in.
Perfect. Perfect. Great. Super. So happy for that. And all in line now. There is a motivation, there is a push, there is a timeline, all are happening. So what is your way of reading? You are a busy
Uh,
person.
Yes, I'm a busy person, and then the study plan really helped me out because I have a very, very short time.
Mm,
The moment I've joined, the next day I've given my date to Rahul.
mm,
Rahul sent me in within 24 hours. He sent me the plan, and then I just followed the plan. I just
mm,
followed the plan, and then the 20 days I just read. Last session when I started off with Pinbock, and then after your session on the first day, now I've shifted to Rita Mulke, and then I've read entire all the chapters in Rita Mulke in 20 days. Almost I've covered everything, but some sessions I couldn't make the questions, but I've covered everything,
nice.
kind of Rita Mulke. And then as per the plan, he given 20 days for me for the reading, and then 10 days for my mock exams. So
Mm,
exactly, I started my mock exams. I would tell that the mock exams is a real wonder. The mock
mm,
exams and the schedule that you give, when you during the sessions you explain that you need 20 days to
mm.
make sure that you clear, start mock exams and then clear. But I was time boxed. I have 10 days. So what
Wow.
I did is I left my books. I keep my books aside, and then I've
Right.
just sat on mock exams. I wrote the first mock exam. I've got 59.
Mm,
And then I said, okay, it's not working. And then what I did is I analyzed it completely. I took 2 days to analyze it first,
right.
and then as per you, and then after before that, I do it. I think I've seen Teleshwar coming to our session and then telling that there is what is that,
Study hall.
study hall. So he explained
Yeah.
me about study hall, and then what I did is I've immediately, you told that it's worth paying for $15, so I immediately paid that study hall for $15, and then it's really worked. It's really worked. So
Mm,
I did my next mock on the study hall, where I scored 63%. And then I said that I'm there. I'm in. And then and then
That's
you're
a good
saying that
feat.
if it, I hear you saying that if it's 60% for study hall, you're good. So
Decent.
you're in.
Yeah.
So I was of confident that yes, I'm in. So that gave me the confidence that I can make it. And then after that, I written another exam of Sri Learning, and then where I've got 65 or 64, I remember. And then again, everything I reanalyzed. So I just reanalyzed in a way that the question, the options which I've given, I've worked on the options. So why and where it is coming from, and then why they have put in this option here, so that that really helped me to go back and analyze and then correct my situation. So that's really helped me out. It's all about the technique again. uh,
Right.
it's all about
Right.
technique, facing the exams, sitting for 4 hours. And
Mm.
I was completely trained in your sessions that I have to sit in 4 hours, because I generally don't sit. Again, I'm a backbencher. I don't read. I don't have a habit of reading. Absolutely everything matching with you. Now I'm version 2.0 now, as you said.
Right, right. Reinventing ourselves. That's
Yes, yes.
interesting. That's interesting. Quite impressive. Nice, nice. Look at the way you time box yourself and do things. It needs good amount of discipline and consistency. Might be
Yeah.
keep doing that. Right, great, superb, superb. So you went to the center-based exam. So
Yes.
how was the security thing? They ask you to wear the mask or kind of thing. They do.
Yeah, to give you again for the background of this, so I did a mock for center before, 2 days before, to make
Mm,
sure that where I have to park my bike, where I have to get in, what is the procedures to get into the
right,
building. I did a
right.
mock for that, and then I went
Very
there.
good.
I've seen there, and then to my surprise, it was locked. There is no just a board. It was
Oh,
locked, and then I was asking each and everyone. It's a very big building and nobody knows what it is. So it was locked, and I was surprised that whether the exam is there or not. I was surprised. And then what I did is, the before day I called uh, a PSN group, and then I checked. So I've got a slot, and then that they said that yes, your slot is there. If
mm,
something is not there tomorrow morning, you just raise a ticket, and then we will look into it. So you can
mm,
go to exam hall as planned. uh,
mm, mm,
so I went there. I think the security is very tight. The next day, everybody was there. By 7:15 were there. I was there at 7:15. They were
mhm,
there, and then immediately when I've entered into the hall, they said that switch off your mobile.
mm,
Uh,
mm.
so I just said that I'll just make one call to my wife, and then I will switch off. And then I came out, and then I called her.
That positive energy needed from spouse.
Spouse, yes.
Very
So,
good.
so I just intimated that I've reached safely. I'm starting my exam, and then
Very
just
good.
pray for me. Just pray for me, and then
Wow, that's good. That's good. Nice. Nice. I know I keep telling that family support is very important. Even though we make a lot of fun about spouse and we love that fun, okay. But when it comes to reality,
reality, yeah.
it's needed. We need that
As I
each
said,
other.
she was through entire my Corona situation, my PMP situation. She supported me a
Nice.
lot, I would say.
Nice, nice. Great credit to her. Superb. So now the exam stuff, I think they give a locker key, right? You have to deposit all the things in the
I have to
locker
deposit. What they said is, if anything eatables, you just keep out of the bag,
outside.
outside of the bag, and then you don't. You should not touch the bag
Mm,
during the break. You just, if you need water or eatables, you can take it, which are placed outside of the box. I mean, outside of the bag,
mm,
and then you
mm.
can use them. Not, you don't touch the bag, kind of. So I said okay.
Right.
So I've took the chocolates, but I couldn't because of the stress I had during the exam.
So the exam, the first, I think few minutes, some video plays, and then the exam starts. Uh,
Exactly.
the first
So
question
yeah,
is,
the first question they just given the background to read out.
mm,
Yeah, I took some time there, and then started off. Maybe to tell you, the first hour was very bad. So I just finished my 30 questions. So I know my velocity, it was 45. When I was doing my weekly exams, I used to do it in 55 minutes, my 45 questions, and 40 questions, I would say 40 questions in 50 minutes. So that's my velocity. So when I've gone into the exam, first hour, it took me 30 questions for 1 hour. So I lost.
Wow.
And then the second 20, second 30 questions, it took another 45 minutes. I almost won 45 minutes for the break. So it was like, oh my God. It was only 2 hours, 15 minutes left with me for 120 questions. So there lies a challenge for me. So when I looked at it, they asked whether you want to go for a break. I was like, no, I don't know. I don't know. And then I just continued it. So I just want to finish it off. I was a little nervous. I thought that it's going to be very tough. It's going to be very tough. And then what I did is I replanned it in the middle, and then I said that let's make it very fast. And then what I did is I tried to finish the second session in 1 hour. I would say 1 hour 15 minutes. It took 1 hour 15 minutes. I left with 50 minutes with the last session, around 50 minutes for the last session.
Okay.
So at that time, I took the break. I said that, I have 50 minutes for 60 questions. So I took the break, and then I've drank 2 glasses of water. I went to washroom. I said that I did some breathing exercise, and then I said I have 50 minutes now, like check the India movie. So
Okay.
so whatever the 120 questions I did, I took a lot of time, and then I've carefully choose the things. But for the next 50, I have to be like, I need to be very, very fast. So that I was very much conscious about my time for the 50 questions. So there I've completely used the technique. I've completely depended on the technique during that 50 minutes. I was choosing the answers. I was looking at the question, what exactly they wanted, and then what I am and what they exactly wanted, and then what is the question is saying, what is the answer is saying. And then I just I took time, but I've not taken more time than 1 minute. So I've just conscious about my 1 minute. Now I have to do it within 1 minute or 45 seconds.
Right.
So by the time I reached last session, about 5 questions, I left with around 5 minutes. 5 questions, 5 minutes.
Look like IPL. Last over.
And then I think there were little complicated questions they asked. I skipped a couple of questions. I went to the last question directly. I came back from the last, and then I started choosing from the last, and then I left the one complicated question and the last, and then I said, God, you do it, and then I just clicked it.
Enough is enough.
And then I left with around 45 seconds before I finished it. So I've given 45 seconds back to PMI.
PMI, you give 45 seconds. Man, look at that, how thrilling it is, huh?
It was,
Nice. Look like a thriller movie.
Thriller movie, For me, it's a thriller movie. The second half is very, very thrilling. So it was like...
So before 45 seconds, you click the submit button.
Button. I said that I won't review now. God, you take care of it. It's okay.
How was your heartbeat that 2-3 seconds before the results come?
I was like, okay, because I was the second session when I said that, okay, whatever happens has happened. I cannot do anything now. So I said that, let's see. And then I was prepared for everything. And then, it worked out. And then said the small letters that congratulations. I was just pinching myself. Is it for me? Okay, congratulations. Oh. And then I said that, yes, it's done. And then I said, wow.
It's an emotional stuck time, right?
It took me 5 minutes to digest.
Man.
And then I was...
we men don't cry, right? We try to suppress things inside.
And then I was like, it's a congratulations. I was just I was just in shock, and then I was seeing the system. Is it true or wrong? Is it true? Okay. It was a 7-year journey which has come to an end.
Right. Seriously. A lot of things happened, right? In between.
Yeah.
Wow. That's great. I remember the other day, there was one person, she called me. She couldn't stop crying. She couldn't, the center she's calling. I said, hold on. Okay. There are people around you. Drink water, sit down for a time, breathe. And then everyone has a tough time in life, right? You cross that. And when you see a success in front of you, I know PMP is not everything in life, but
Yeah.
it gives it motivation that yes, I have that capability, right? That's see, we have a Ferrari engine, but we don't realize it's Ferrari. We thought it's Maruti 800.
Yeah.
So one day PMP will tell you, man, you are a Ferrari. Wow, really?
Come on, use it.
Put that fifth gear, accelerate it.
Yeah.
Right? That's cool, man. I'm so excited with your story, hearing it. So I'm sure you treated your family to give them a party. Huh?
Not yet, Shriram, because
COVID
so
stuff,
not
you
yet.
can't go
Yeah,
out.
COVID stuff, I can go out now. So maybe I will plan in the coming days, because I remember you about the quality. When I heard the quality session that you told me, I was like guilty about myself, because I was using my time and studying for the office time for studying it. I couldn't sleep all night because yeah. Because I have very short time, because I have no option than using the office time, and then whatever the break that I get, I quickly use the time for reading in. I know I was guilty all that night, and okay, anyway, so I will compensate once I finished it.
Nice.
I will
Good
do
to
my
know
extra
that.
time.
Good to know that you are connecting back to your real life. That's important. Yeah, that's true. Nice. Good. Give a good party for them, because celebration is important.
Yes.
Winning this should be celebrated. I still remember the day when I cleared the examination. When I came back to my home, I said I cleared. My whole family looked at me. Oh, is it really? Then what? They asked me, what is PMP?
Exactly. Exactly is the question. When I put my status, many people of my friends are saying, "What is this PMP?" And then, oh my god! So what is that?
On top of that, I said to my senior manager, I cleared PMP. He said, "That's an easy exam, right? Anybody can clear with the dumb paper." I said, "Better don't talk to this guy." They may not know that, but again, party they'll remember. You give a party
there, yeah.
that happened. Party, I remember it.
You passed that exam, right?
For that reason, you have to give party.
I have to tell you, I use your mindset in my exam. Is it possible? Yeah, it's not possible, right? Maybe, maybe. And then I was using all options to choose my answer.
Nice. Super cool. So how much is applicable in your corporate life? What you learned?
I think we are slowly improvising, because clinical research is something which is part of the complete product cycle, life cycle. So we are part of it. Of course, we use the project management in the company, but again, to the core level. I would say it's a predictive, most of the predictive part.
Predictive approach.
Yeah. So most of the because it's a clinical research. I work in a clinical research where.
Right.
So
you may be a front runner with the knowledge now. So slowly you'll start talking about risk management, or.
I think Sanofi as a global, they have complete PMO setup across the globe.
Nice.
They have setup, because they look into the level of the product. At the clinical research level, we have the project management that will be in the predictive manner, and then at the product level, they manage it. They have a very good stuff, and then all qualified people at the global. It's across the world. Sanofi, the company, is across the world. It's a very big company. Yeah, it's a second biggest in the pharma. So I'm in the vaccine division. I look into the vaccine division. So I look into the clinical research of the vaccines.
That's the busiest field now, right?
Currently, it's busy. Previously, we used to take around 5 years to do one clinical trial. Now the people are doing in 5 months.
Wow, look at the speed. My God.
So I can say that it's now agile.
True, but does it put a heavy pressure on the people now?
Absolutely, absolutely. A lot of pressure because it's not easy sometimes,
Yeah,
because again, it's not easy to do everything in quickly, because it's
yeah,
related to the health. Health is
right.
very important.
Life.
Life, yeah, we cannot take such decisions quickly.
Mm, mm,
And then we need to be very, very cautious. We have to do retrospective to make sure that, yeah, whether it's working, what is the
mm,
situation, when
mm.
it go into the market, it is going to the right people, right problem. Is there any safety concern? Everything needs to be looked in, which needs
Yeah,
more time. And then
yeah.
and then of course, the situation is like that. The pressure is coming from the top governments, and then they say that,
True,
yes,
true,
we
true.
have
Everyone want to catch up the market, but again, just compliance regulations will be very strict, where we have to adhere to the compliance and
adhere to the
beyond us.
compliance. Of
That's not
course,
easy.
India is giving waivers. I would say, yes, it's good that we need the vaccine, but again, we have to follow certain timelines to make sure that everything is in compliance, and then
Got it.
we are more concerned about the human rather than getting it in early into the
Got it.
market.
Got it. Got it. Got it.
And then that is the reason our company Sanofi is still researching on the vaccine. It's taking more time. It's almost everybody putting their research quickly, and then they're getting into market. But Sanofi is taking their own time to make sure that they send out the right product into the market.
Cool.
They're taking every risk, but yeah, it's still not in the market. We're still not expecting now. It's maybe coming one more maybe next 2022 it might be expected into the market, but they're taking time because they want to be sure when it is
Right.
product which is going out, it should be
Right.
the correct product.
Perfect. 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 So happy. Thanks for doing this wonderful service, which you need for human.
Yes, it's Sanofi. Yeah, it's doing hard work, and then they invest a lot of money, but
Mm,
uh,
mm,
they know that things should not be so quick.
mm, mm.
Some sometimes
Makes sense.
pressure is there, but we should
Makes sense.
we should be patient, and then make sure that we send out the right product into the market, and
Quality
then
matters. Quality matters.
absolutely Adidas. It's not Abibas.
Yeah, we need it. Good.
We
Super.
need the Adidas into the market, not Abibas. That's what I'm trying to say.
Adibas. Adibas.
Adibas with different colors.
You remember that example, huh? Okay, nice to know. Okay, Suresh, now if you want to give some tips, advice for the people who do want to complete like you within short time, what will be your thought?
I think first of all, as you said, you write a date first, and then fix the timeline.
Okay.
That's the most important, and then don't deviate from your timeline,
Mm,
and then fix it, and then start the journey, and
mm,
then it is only reaching out to the right place, and then I think whoever coming to Sri Learning, they are at the right place.
mm,
uh, and then uh, and then the technique, you engage everyone, and then you make sure that everybody are not deviating. So that's the good part of you, and then you you show the videos to link it, and then that is more important, which is making visual in the brain, where the project management is, rather than reading the book. You read for 20 hours, nothing goes into it. It's all about the visual, the listening capacity that you've put into the sessions. I think you've done a lot of homework to customize that sessions. I think I can understand how much hard work that you put in. That really helped. That will definitely help all the people who are going to come into the sessions, and then just follow blindly Sri Ram. The technique, especially the technique, uh, don't deviate from the technique, and then don't worry about looking at the mass. Just 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 follow the technique, and then I'm sure you will come out with the flying colors.
Great. That's a good thought from you. Superb. Once again, thanks, Suresh, for coming up on your day. I know because of this interview, you have to push your
No
vaccination
problem.
time.
No
I
problem.
appreciate
Yeah.
that. It came up here.
Yeah, this is more important. It's give me a lot of energy, Shriram. So yeah, so just finishing it is not, as you said, nobody knows the PMP. What is PMP? Now, now I can tell us this is what the PMP is all about.
True, 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 true. That too, if you watch out when you put in LinkedIn, the likes and things will start
Uh,
pouring in. You'll be surprised where these guys were so far.
Yeah, exactly. Some people are questioning, what is this? Is it related to pharma? Is it related to IT? What? Okay, let me.
Yeah. Many don't know. Many thought PMP means software engineering guys do something like that, right?
Exactly.
Software engineering guys thinks that this is for construction people. Okay. And
Oh, man.
that's quite. Your LinkedIn, I think it will get very busy. Many will
Yeah.
give likes, comments,
Yeah.
friendship. It'll start very busy. Quite good. Thanks for giving it back, because like one day you saw the success story, someone is going to see your story.
Yeah.
And they will recall. I don't remember the name. There was a person with the yellow T-shirt. That's how they will talk. How many of us remember the name? They said there was a person with a yellow T-shirt. He said something related to me. He said, "Man, it's like a chain. It's going."
Oh,
As
yeah.
simple.
Yeah.
As
So
simple.
somebody like me can watch this video on one Sunday evening, and then they can come in.
Yeah. No, more than coming, let them be in any institute. The idea of giving these YouTube videos is give a confidence that this is doable.
Absolutely. It's
And
doable.
I feel every person should go through some leadership learning in their life
Absolutely.
to streamline it. The civilization needs it. We are watching out worldwide what's happening. So we need some civilization thought process, how to handle people, how to behave with people.
Absolutely.
Right? So,
And then I would say I was lucky. Maybe it's God's grace that I've doing the new syllabus, which is a very important. So if I finished it last year, I would have missed a lot.
Yeah.
I would have missed a lot. And then I
Right.
have to tell the change of the syllabus. It is a real world. It's a real world, I would say.
Yeah.
The previous PMP, it's all book based, and then not, most of thing is not implemented. Can't be implemented. Now this is whatever the new syllabus that we have, that can be implemented, that can be managed, and then
Well said. Actually, PMI, when they change, many people objecting it, don't change it. But after reading, I know January it started. Now we are August. In 8 months, what we observed is what you rightly said, applicable right away.
Yeah.
I can read it Monday morning. I can talk to my office.
Absolutely.
It's doable. So right, good information. A lot of emotional intelligence factors.
Absolutely.
A lot of people handling factors. Right. Many giving empowerment to the team. It's highly discussed.
Yes.
Which you don't see much in previous chapters. Previous versions.
Absolutely. It's just like a dry thing. You just link it. I just pasted all my ITTOs. ITTOs. Nothing is useful. Yeah, I cannot implement anywhere.
Right. It is in some industry, but it doesn't all the industry.
All the industry now, because this is what we needed. This is what needed for the practical purposes, I would say.
Perfectly said. Perfect said. Super. So Suresh, keep rocking and keep winning more. I think this video is so positive. Many people get inspired.
Yeah, thank you very much, Sriram, for all the technique that I taught me, because I will continue to tell this, because that is what brought me here. Nice. And then any backbencher can do it. If I can do it, anyone can do it.
That's backbenchers. I start the class telling, "Come on, backbenchers."
Yeah.
We know the pain of being backbencher.
Yes.
Anyway, nice to know that, and let this story inspire many more people. And I would be very happy when someone apply it and grow in life. If I meet Suresh again after 2-3 years, Suresh should tell that, man, I've grown up in my corporate life. It's not about the salary. It's not about designation. Absolutely. The value Suresh carries in.
Exactly. Maybe I missed that point for you. I say my wife that I should not miss the beginning of this movie, like your session, because your session starts with a GAN. I should not miss the beginning of the movie. Because my wife says, why are you rushing in? So I should not miss the beginning of the movie. What is that? That's a GAN session. So
the first 10 minutes, nothing on the PMP, something philosophy will happen.
Yeah. I said that there's, like in the movies they say, right? Don't miss the beginning. So I don't want to miss the beginning.
So nice. I like the way you trusted us. Super. Keep rocking more, and credit to your family who supported because again, your corporate, your boss gave that the seed on your mind that you have to do this, right? So that's very important. Super. Keep rocking more, and all the viewers, thanks for watching this video. I'm sure you all enjoyed it. I believe all got with Suresh, right? Suresh is a good manager, top level in the clinical area, but still he too started at the last bencher. Now he's giving a lot of information to us. So I'm sure you may connect something here. You may feel some of his way of preparation is interesting. I know he did in a very short time, but definitely dedication is needed. If not,
Yes.
it's not possible. So reach out to Suresh also. Probably he'll be happy to give some info how things worked out. Right? Fantastic. Let's all give likes, comments, and wishes to Suresh. Good wishes again, Suresh, for his success.
Thank you very much, Sriram. Thank you, and all credit to you, as I said.
So humble. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Catch you.
Thank you. Have a good day.